Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Fire System, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the IRS Fire System. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding area. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have a secure access PIN, enter it as well. Once all information is correctly filled in, click on the Submit button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to the system. Should you encounter an error, verify your user ID and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Re-enter your user ID and new password. Click Submit again to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the sections you need. Be sure to log out after completing your tasks for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.